So if you can see here, we got some rear control arms. These are for the uppers. These are the lowers. We're gonna take them in, clean them up, sand them down, and we're gonna repaint them. So we're gonna go take that to school and go get that done real quick. And I'll show you from start to finish as best as I can with the time that I've got. So I went ahead and prepped them. I got them wiped down. That's all the bare spots right there. But I got one or two of them started with touch primer, but I moved them in here to the booth because OSHA's coming, and yeah, we don't like OSHA, so yeah. So we're all done spraying them. Now we just gotta let them sit. I'm gonna put some stuff up, and I'm gonna leave and go to work, and then come back around 7 o'clock and come pick them up tonight. Yeah, they turned out real good looking. I'm using I don't know, like a $50,000 lift for this shit. So we've got the car in the air, we've got the wheels taken off, got the control arms. I had to go get an 18 for this motherfucker. Yep, we're putting them on. We gotta take some stuff off. What?
The extension is over there too.
Alright.
Motherfucker. That bushing's gone, almost.
Out with the old and in with the new. So I couldn't get a lot of the shots in because I was too busy focusing on the car to actually film. And I need to get it done so I could drive it because, I mean, it is still technically my daily. So if I do it, then I got to get it done. I mean, I have the truck, but diesel in 2024 is, well, I can't really say much because premium fuel is like right under diesel, or maybe right over, but this car takes like it takes like $45 to fill up. So it's not a crazy amount. Yeah, that glare's not helping nothing. But if you can peek under there, one is right there, two is up there. There's all four of them's on. I do not feel any kind of difference. There you go. I can zoom in. I don't feel any type of difference with the car, which I don't expect you're going to. I'm pretty sure that they're made more for if you're going for more power and torque. They do better under load than the stock stuff. But yeah, I should have had a package here tonight from American Muscle. It had a cold air intake and underdrive pulleys for the car. But that's gonna be the first start of what I do to the car. They should have been in today, and once they come in, I'm gonna do more of a detailed video on it. And I know I say that every time, but I'm gonna do my absolute best to do that, because I always kind of pride myself off of keep going and doing better with these videos, because posted in a while. So now that I have a little bit of time to do so, then that's what I want to start getting back into. But I got to find a tripod. I think I have one. I think I remember where I put it, but I can have it set up somewhere over here to do whatever. But I got to get over the sore throat first. Right now, I'm not feeling too much, but this morning I woke up and it hit me like a fucking rat out of fucking hell or some shit. But if you like the video, then of course give us a like, or give me a like. Comment, whatever. Maybe make suggestions of what I should or shouldn't do to the car, or whatever you want to see. Maybe in a video I'll repaint these, because on the other side they plastic dipped it. Looks like dog shit. Yeah, but I know how to fix that. That's light work. And we also need to take this grill delete out, because that shit looks ugly, or the grill out, because that shit looks ugly as fuck. But yeah, subscribe, and I guess follow along the journey.